Oh boy, I bought the Nishane finally. But this is a very small sample size pack. Can you see? This is time capsule. Nobody, literally nobody have tried it in my country yet. Yes, I'm the first one. So officially I'm trying for first time, and I can tell you one thing. This is a beautiful packaging of Nishane have done this time. I really love it. Though I got the sample size, these are like uh, 2 2 ml, I think. Is it 2 ml? Yeah, I think so. They're 2 ml. They're very small writing here. Can you see it? My goodness. So they have 4 perfumes in the Time Capsule series. One is Papilefico. Second one is Temp Fly. Then it's Tarot and Creedo or Credo. Nishane is a Turkish brand. Though it's very unfortunate, I went to Turkey, but I couldn't find any shop of Nishane in Turkey. It's very unfortunate. Why I couldn't find it, God knows. This is a discovery set, so nothing fancy, but this is how you open it. And there you go. I love their packaging because they have separated every perfume with a separate box. They just didn't give you a simple box and they just left it over there. It's nothing like that. So let's go with the booze, with the flow. So this is Temp Fly. What is this? Sorry. So Papilefico. Sorry, my camera. Papilefico. So this is the print which you will get if you buy a full size. This will be in the front, this design. I love the design. This is a very colorful. I have never seen a colorful Nishane bottle before. Mostly it's golden and white or silver and white, right? So as you can see, the small bottle is there. Sorry, vial, not bottle. So this is Extrait de Parfum. Papilefico is top notes. They have cardamom, coriander, and citrus. Middle note, they have the lavender, artemisia, jasmine. In the base note, they have the balsam fir and styrex and moss. So you can imagine this perfume will be very greeny, aromatic, spicy. I have tried it before, but I want to try again. Oh, this one reminds me of another perfume which is also Turkish perfume. If I'm not wrong, it is there is a perfume called Topkapi from Topkapi perfume. Topkapi perfume. I forgot the name of the perfume brand. So Topkapi, there was a Topkapi perfume brand. I forgot. Sorry. I forgot the brand's name. It smells quite similar to that. If you want to pick up a perfume according to the place and the natural or the local ingredients, it will come out almost the same. So Papilefico is not very unique, but as unique as in the market of the perfume for anybody else, because Turkey itself has a very distinct smell of spices, of culture, of landscape and everything. I mean, if you go there, you will understand what I'm saying. Otherwise, you will think, what is this lady saying? So Papilefico, it reminds me very much of their the famous forts, all those old architectural structures. This is what reminds me of it. At the same time, this is, if I tell you in the fragrance language, this is a very aromatic, green, fresh, spicy perfume, Papillofeco. And I love it. It makes me more want to go back again to Istanbul, like in Topkapi Palace. Topkapi Palace. Oh, that's a beautiful place. So let's go for Temp Flu. Is it Temp Flu? Flu? I don't know. So they have, let me tell you the notes here. So the top note is mandarin orange, saffron and bergamot. Middle note, it has the orange blossom, jasmine sambac, praline, cashmere rose, cedar and vanilla. I can tell you it will be a very vanilla based perfume. Oh, this is a beautiful perfume, man. I love it. The Temp Fly, this is a beautiful perfume. The moment I sprayed it, I got the mandarin and saffron both. I love both of them. And mandarin orange of Turkey, trust me, they're so tasty, so juicy, so big. I had a glass after glass after glass of juices. So they're really juicy and big and yummy and cheap. So yes, they're so good. At the same time, you get the moment mandarin saffron is gone from after some time, you'll get the jasmine sambac and the sweet praline. Slowly, the vanilla and the cedarwood, it will take over very slowly, but still the jasmine and the praline is quite prominent in this one. If you're looking for something very, very fresh, very playful, this is something you want to get from this collection. Next is Taro. So Taro is a bit different. I don't know the story of making the name Time Capsule series. I don't know. I'll check the history of it. Yeah, I haven't seen it. I just got it fresh in my hand. So I thought, like, I haven't made any video within last 1 month. Why not? So Taro is, top note is salt, citron pepper, black pepper, caramel. Very interesting. I have never seen anybody mixing caramel with salt. Sorry, not salt. Pepper and salt. Then the middle note, it has the cinnamon, patchouli, amber, oak, vetiver. Very sophisticated ingredients. Let's spray it. I already can tell you I will like it. Yeah. It is very sophisticated. It is perfect for women. It reminds me of something. Yes, it reminds me of some other perfume, but which one, I really don't know. But they said it's very similar to the Unique Perfumes Crush on Me. Crush on Me is a very chocolatey kind of perfume. I don't know why people say that, but it is probably because of the caramel on the top, but it is more salty and greeny perfume for me. Not the favorite, but not bad. It's very nice, very subtle. The design of the bottle will be like this, black, yellow, and blue. The last one is Creedo or Credo. Interesting name. So there you go, the Creedo. Sorry, that was Creedo. This is Tarot. This is Creedo, this is Trail. I already explained Creedo, so this is Trail. Sorry, I was saying wrong. The Creedo is top note was pink pepper, cardamom. Middle note was osmanthus, agarwood, sandalwood, suede. Yeah, that's why I was feeling weird. But yeah, Creedo is, oops, small accident. But Creedo is not my favorite, that's for sure. This is Tarot. This is Tarot. I haven't explained Tarot. So Tarot is basically salt, caramel, citron pepper, black pepper, cinnamon patchouli, amber, oak, and vetiver. As I said, it's supposed to be gorgeous, but Creedo was made of something else. And I was reading the ingredients. That's why I never read the ingredients. First you smell, then you can tell. Oh yes. Tarot is definitely a sophisticated perfume. I actually like the Temp Fly and Tarot. These two are my favorite. First, when you spray Tarot, you'll get that salt caramel kind of smell. Slowly it goes to the green, cinnamon, little bit spicy. All these perfumes are spicy. You'll get some at some point. You will get some spices, but these are not like the kitchen spice. It's like the spicy spice, and these are quite sophisticated. Nishane makes very sophisticated perfumes. They're not expensive, I would say, not in the expensive side, though they are niche perfumes. But when you go for a 100 ml bottle, yes, then it becomes expensive. Otherwise, it's quite reasonable, quite reachable, and it's fine. It's fine. It's absolutely beautiful. The time capsule I want to go through right up. Somebody talked about it. So the philosophy behind the creation of time capsule, as the house puts the driven by the concept of time and space of human experience on Earth. Okay. Nishane wanted to create 4 distinctive scents that tell you 4 different stories. The idea was to create the time capsule for perfumes that will tell you the general stories today through the language of scents. Okay. Ooh, different native tongue. Equal communications between the people of different tongue. So, papal effect, they explained as butterfly effect in Esperanto. Then, Temp Fly, they said time flow in Esperanto. The law of physics implies the passage of time is an illusion. They explained in that way. And the butterfly effect, of course, everybody know what it is. Then they explained tarot as the earth in Esperanto. What is Esperanto? Carbon copy of the earth, unlikely today. And then the last, Creedo, They said belief in Esperanto. It's no secret that humans are social creatures with beliefs that they're literally all over the map. What wasn't known was how those beliefs are influenced by our social interactions. Beautiful. The names are beautiful, the perfumes are great. So, what else do you need? Buy it, try it, and of course, if you want to experience the best, I would suggest you to buy the sample bottle first, then you can decide what you like the most. Like, I will definitely try to get 2 of the bottles, those I liked. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and comment. If you're new, please subscribe. I'll bring more interesting video in future. Thank you.